Welcome to the 2025 Audi RS Q8 is here, and it's taking on some serious competition. But how does it stack up against the best in its class? Today on MVP Auto, we're diving deep into the latest RS Q8 to see if it's the ultimate performance SUV. At first glance, the RS Q8 keeps its aggressive yet refined styling. Audi has given it a sharper front grille, updated matrix LED headlights, and a more sculpted hood. The wide stance and flared wheel arches make it look even more menacing. Around the back, you get a redesigned diffuser, OLED taillights, and those signature RS oval exhaust tips that hint at the beast within. It's clear Audi wants this SUV to turn heads. Under the hood, the 2025 RS Q8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out an impressive 631 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. That's a noticeable bump over the previous model, and it now matches the Lamborghini Urus Performante. With quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. Audi's tuning has made this RS Q8 even more responsive, with improved throttle mapping and sharper shifts. Handling has also seen some upgrades. The RS Q8 comes with adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, and a rear-wheel steering system, making it feel more like a performance car than a full-size SUV. Whether you're attacking tight corners or cruising on the highway, the balance is exceptional. The optional carbon ceramic brakes provide serious stopping power, ensuring this 5,300-pound machine remains under control at high speeds. Inside, Audi keeps it premium and sporty. The cabin features high-quality materials, with carbon fiber trim, RS-specific displays, and a new Alcantara steering wheel. The MMI infotainment system has been refined, offering a more intuitive interface and even faster response times. The virtual cockpit now includes enhanced performance data, perfect for track days or spirited drives. The seats are aggressively bolstered yet comfortable, making long trips feel effortless. So, how does the RS Q8 stack up against the competition? Against rivals like the BMW XM Label Red, Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S, and the Lamborghini Urus, the RS Q8 delivers an excellent balance of performance, luxury, and daily usability. While the Urus has a sharper edge in handling, the RS Q8 offers a more refined ride and a lower price tag. The BMW XM brings plug-in hybrid tech to the mix, but its design is polarizing. The AMG GLE 63S is a powerhouse but lacks the same futuristic tech that Audi brings to the table. At the end of the day, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 is a serious contender in the high-performance SUV space. It's powerful, stylish, and packed with the latest tech, making it one of the best choices for those who want both speed and practicality. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take the RS Q8 over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our latest review.